However, right, you got Karcher K5 or even K4, and sometimes some of the other Ks just will not turn on. There's the on-off switch, plug it in, normally zzz, this time nothing. You're getting absolutely nothing, like you've not plugged it in. If you've got that problem, I'm about to save you 300 quid. What I'm about to show you is going to take you 10 minutes to put right and to fix your entire Karcher, put it back to how it was. 10 minutes, that's all. If it works, come back, click on this link here and buy me a pint because you owe me one. Right, watch this. Very quick, easy fix. Plug the water in, leave the power off. Leave the lamps off. Don't put the lamps on. Leave that off. Turn the water on. Let it flow. Leave it for about 10 minutes. Basically, it's got a mechanism in it that if there's a single little tiny microscopic airlock in it, it won't turn on. It makes it seem like there's just no electric to it. This has been running now for about 10 minutes. We've plenty of time. Turn the water back off. Put the lamps on. Put the water back on. You need to get the air fully through the lamps as well before you actually turn it on. It should be enough. You know if it's not, it will stop and start. Let's plug it in. There we are. It wasn't even doing that before. Okay, and that's still there. There you go. That's how to fix it. Right, it's been helpful and stops you having to go through what I've just done. You got any comments, put them in the bottom. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye for now.